In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a channel link on Slack. Whether you're managing a team project, sharing resources, or simply trying to keep your communication organized, being able to quickly share a channel link can be incredibly helpful. Let's dive right into the process. First, you'll want to locate the channel whose link you wish to copy. To do this, navigate over to the left sidebar of your Slack application on your desktop or within your browser window. This sidebar should list all of the channels you are a part of, along with any direct messages or apps you're using. If you're part of a large number of channels, you might need to scroll through this list to find the specific channel name. Keep in mind that the sidebar organizes channels often by section or by your preferences, so it may look slightly different based on how you've set it up. Once you've identified the channel you're interested in, the next step is to right-click on the channel name. If you're using a Mac, you'll want to hold down the Control key and click on the channel name instead. This action will bring up a context menu, a small pop-up window with several options that gives you access to various functions related to that specific channel. As you look through the options in the context menu, find the one labeled Copy Link. You'll want to click or tap on this option, which will automatically copy the unique URL for that channel to your clipboard. It's worth noting that this link is incredibly handy if you need to direct someone quickly to a specific channel within Slack, especially in environments where there are many channels. And there you have it. You've successfully copied the channel link, and it's now ready to be pasted wherever you need it. This could be in an email, a document, or even shared in another Slack message. The ability to copy and share channel links makes coordination and collaboration smoother by helping everyone access the needed information with just a click. Remember, this simple process can save time and streamline communication, especially in a busy work environment with multiple channels and teams. By knowing how to copy a channel link, you can effortlessly facilitate better collaboration within your team. Feel free to revisit this guide if you ever need a refresher on how to accomplish this task, and don't hesitate to experiment with these features to become more efficient in using Slack. Thanks for watching and happy Slacking!